What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in to another one. In today's video, we are on a wine farm outside Stellenbosch. The N1 runs right there on that side. I don't know. It's MHUDI wine farms. I don't know how to pronounce it, but they are having some Rasta festival, and today is privates as well on the same farm. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all the guys that came out for privates today. I was fortunate enough to be invited to privates volume 3. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Straight off the bat, we have this car over here, the Alpina Taz, my car, another Corolla. For a Polo to be standing between these cars that drop so low, I don't know how it's gonna work, but yeah, wish me luck. Over there under the trees, there's that bag bucket that had the candy floss in the back that was bagged by Loaster. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. The car has been cleaned and wiped down. I'll show you guys how it looks now. The people are slowly coming in. It is very, very hot, so let me just film this section where we have a nice Taz, the Alpina sticker on Alpina wheels. Looks very nice. And over here, Daniel's BMW. Sweet. And Ryan over here directing traffic. This Corolla's bagged. Lovely. My car over here. Nice twin cam. This is Etios. This Polo, nice. 17s. And then Emilio over here. Static. Hello. Nice bagged Toyota. Bag Polo. And this guy is bagged as well, as I just said. Ryan at it over here. And over here we have a nice bag Corolla. Now I need to show you guys this Yaris that also came through. It also looks good. Very nice. Check his interior. Go for a nice set of split TDI split. GC Mark 1. Nice. Hello, hello. Here's TJ's car, but TJ's not here. The guys are lifting their cars, they're about to leave. Tyler, how did it work? Tyler, do you want to say something for the vlog?
I don't know what to say for the vlog.
Don't be nervous. Say hello to the people.
Hi people.
Low Mark 1. What's this? Dustin's car is also lifted. Now only, because jammer. Check the camber on this Honda. His lip is on the floor. Yeah guys, there's a swimming pool here as well. And a Rasta festival happening on the side. Nice prelude. Here's Giant Doe. Nice bag BMW here. And in this running, this guy's washing his car early on. This is Ayub's back here. Had a little chat with him now. Bagged. Back is nice. This back is also nice. So yeah guys, that brings an end to today's video. I hope you guys enjoy the content. I hope you guys enjoyed the cars that came through for Privates Volume 3. If you guys like the content, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you have not done so already. And just before I end today's video guys, I need to send a shout out to Elite Fragrances. They hooked me up with a lovely smelling air freshener for my car. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the details down below. You can give them a follow on Instagram. You can hit them up for all your needs. They'll be able to sort you out. Check them out. Thank you guys so much. Stay tuned for the next one.